What? Come on, dude.
来看看专业的跑酷达人是如何吐槽《刺客信条》的。眼前的精神小伙是位不折不扣的跑酷专家，他认为在绳索上徒手滑行非常离谱。
You can't do that. Like you would need some sort of like.
老哥表示，没有谁的手经得起这样的摩擦，哪怕他是个真正的战神。随后是一个非常基础的连续跑酷，但老哥还是觉得假。他认为，除了最开始拐角的盲区确实需要减速通过，但后续半停半跳的是什么鬼？完全不符合能量守恒定律啊！
Single legs is not accurate. Those are pretty ridiculous single leg jumps.
最后是一个高空刺杀镜头，老哥说这绳索目测高4到5米，这种高度在跑酷界是不会额外跳那么一下的，他们一般是从边缘直接下落，就和游戏里的信仰之跃差不多。
See, that was great. That was great. That height drop that he just took, where he kind of like spilled over the edge and just dropped straight down. That was super accurate.
行，你说的都对。那请问，如果我这么跳，阁下该如何应对？
What is insane?